Max and the Musical Garden. Max loved music. One day, he discovered a garden filled with flowers that made different sounds when the wind blew. Curious, Max decided to play a song using the flowers. He found that the blue flowers made soft melodies, while the yellow ones created cheerful tunes. Max spent the whole day composing a beautiful symphony. The animals in the garden danced to his music, and soon, a crowd gathered to listen. Max felt proud and happy, knowing he had created something special. He invited everyone to join in, encouraging them to sing and dance along. That day, the garden filled with laughter and joy. Max learned that music brings people together and creates beautiful memories. He decided to return to the garden every week to share his music with friends and family. From then on, the musical garden became a place of celebration, where everyone could come together to enjoy the beauty of music and friendship. Max realized that creativity knows no bounds and that sharing joy is the best gift of all.